Hey, it's Philip here, and in my digital spark today, I wanted to show you how I built a customer persona visualization generation tool. So if you have customer personas where you've got psychographic and demographic and behavioral and their pain points, you would love a way to visually have all that together, maybe for presentations or to share with creative teams rather than just something that's basically boring text. Well, I've created a tool in the Google AI Studio, and I'm going to show you how you can do this too for yourself. So stay tuned. Okay, once again, just like I did the last time when I was creating the YouTube thumbnail maker, I engaged with Gemini. I've got the Gemini Pro account, and I basically prompted it as to what I'm trying to achieve with this persona generation tool. So it came up with a very detailed prompt, which I'm now going to copy, and we're going to now head over to the Google AI Studio. Once again, if you didn't see my video last time, if you go to aistudio.google.com, you will arrive at this page. And where you're going to go now is to build. And literally it is as simple as this. You take your prompt, you're going to paste that in, and you're then going to click on build. And essentially what happens is that the Google AI Studio will start to build this tool for you right here. You'll be able to see it obviously here on the left. It's obviously analyzing your prompt and starting to build the code around it. Okay, so here is our living persona architect. So you can see here that based on my prompt, I have a name, so I put in Sarah Sample, job title, marketing director, age, location, and then the other kind of key areas. So the environment for visual context, the primary goals of Sarah, her primary pain points, values, and a day in her life. Now, obviously, you would build all this out in your initial prompt, and you can be as detailed as possible. You're also trying to put in kind of things like kind of key objections potentially to maybe your product hook as to why your product might be best, so that this is all sort of built in to the generator when it's creating the persona. So let's see how this actually works. So here we are. This is giving you an idea of exactly how this tool can work. So here's our persona kind of visual card. We see Sarah Sample looking stressed. The narrative a little bit around who she is. Obviously you can build that out as part of your prompt to expand that within the tool. Some psychological drivers, around what drives her desire for significant growth, but obviously values work-life balance. Then obviously objection handling, potentially, well, we've tried solutions before and they didn't integrate well, etc. And also the hook. How can our product help? So once again, I suppose what I wanted to show you was how a tool like this, obviously crafted through a prompt specific for your business need, could really take a boring kind of list of text around personas and turn something into a real kind of interesting narrative. Now, because obviously this image is created in Nano Banana, but these kind of pieces aren't, the easiest way if you wanted to download all of this would be to go to the full screen and then just reduce the screen size, as you can see. And then what you essentially can do is use a simple snipping tool and just snip this and download it as an image to your desktop. But listen, this is just a very easy way, a very easy, quick kind of prompts that I put together to show you a potential idea to create a persona architect tool that you could use for your business in the Google AI Studio. So I hope you enjoy. Once again, there are so many uses that you can come up with. So look at what is actually maybe causing you a pain point in your own business from a productivity point, or maybe a tool that you would love to have. Maybe you can create it in the Google AI Studio. And if you want to see all my other digital sparks, they are all, of course, up there on my website, philiptwyford.com. And until next time, take care.